Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the buzzer, which is the ringtone speaker in your phone. Samsung Galaxy A71. We need a brush with stiff bristles. One that will allow the bristles to bounce back a bit as we use it. Isopropyl alcohol, pure alcohol that will simply evaporate later, won't damage or flood our phone. We soak the brush enough so that it's wet. We take the phone and hold it upright. The buzzer is here, these little holes, they're all lined up here. And we wipe them in one direction. 5 to 6 times in one direction. Then 5 to 6 times in the other direction. The alcohol causes all the dust to loosen up. The dirt gets softened and comes out of the holes easily. And now we have a perfectly clean, fully functioning buzzer, which is the sound speaker. That's all. We set the phone aside for about 10 minutes to let the alcohol fully evaporate. Of course, we do all of this with the phone turned off. And that's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would really appreciate a thumbs up, likes, and subscriptions. See you next time.